Have you ever find yourself so excited to receive a word from God, a promise from God, only to find yourself waiting in the gap for the delivery of that promise? I imagine David felt the same way, living in the gaps of the day that he could stop hoping. You see, hope is a confident expectation of God fulfilling his promises. David knew someday that God's promise of installing him as king would happen. But what would he do while he was waiting? Sometimes during the gaps you may find yourself wrestling with doubt. Listen, I'm sitting in this right now, so this is for me too. But here's your reminder that you can be certain of God's unshakable promises because he just doesn't say them. He swears by his own name to confirm them. Hebrews 6:16-17 says, "For men indeed swear by the greater, and an oath for confirmation is for them an end of all dispute. Thus God, determining to show more abundantly to the heirs of promise the immutability of his counsel, confirmed it by an oath." God's word is unchangeable and dependable. He wants you to be absolutely certain that the word he has given you through his promises will not fail. So when your mind starts racing and life feels shaky or answers seem delayed while you're in the gap, remember God is preparing the promise for you and preparing you for the promise. So hold on to your faith, because if he said it, he'll do it. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you again for 1 minute on purpose.